There's sting from both of us. Put it down.
You got fucking
Fuck off!
What are you doing? Get the fuck out!
It's not going to be here, man!
Fuck umbrella! Fuck off! Fuck off! Fuck off! Fuck off! Fuck off!
Get out! Stop! Fucking go!
Wait!
One over there! Ow! Mate! What did I fucking say? Hey! Fucking
Don't care! I'm not taking shit, no more!
fuck off!
Fucking give it now! Give it back, peace on the way! Peace on the way!
Hello?
Peace with that? If you hit that, you're going to be in criminal damage. And you're assault.
What fucking doing, man?
You're assault. They can be recorded!
Do you wanna? Is this worth your job, mate? I think we should just fucking leave, mate. It's not worth the job.
Put that down!
This place.
Put that down!
This place is not going to exist tomorrow.
Yes, it is. Put that
You're
down!
not going to have the job tomorrow, so don't try and protect it.
Don't you fuck.
Get out of here, I won't.
If you swing that once more at me, it's going to get really serious. Okay?
Get out of here.
Okay?
There you go, man.
Okay. Don't.
I think it's time to leave.
Hey, whoa!
Over here! Mate, drop that now! Fucking drop that fucking thing now! Drop that! Taser, taser! Right, stay where you are! Right, get your fucking hands out now! Get your hands out now!
Dude! It looks like that!
Right, you're under arrest for criminal damage and a fray, okay?
Can you please
No.
do it so
Get your arms to your back!
No, you don't have to do that. Legally, you don't have to do that.
Get your arms!
I've got...
Look,
Ow,
you've
you're
already been
fucking hitting me! You're fucking
Alright.
hitting me!
Get on the floor!
I'm on the fucking floor!
Right,
Can you just please?
stop!
Ow!
Messing
No,
around.
that really fucking hurt!
Yes, you're messing.
Ow, my fucking...
Get your fucking...
Ow!
Taser, taser! Come, we need more. We've had 2 tasers. We've been hit with hammers. Can you just get
Can
you
you
with this?
stop fucking electrocuting me? You're literally standing on me!
Right.